excitement. Hello, little explorers. Welcome to our magical forest adventure. I'm your friend, Curious Cat. Meow. Today, we have some special friends to meet. Are you ready?
Look who we have here. It's our tall and gentle friend. Hello, little ones. I love eating leaves from the treetops and exploring the forest.
Hop, hop! Meet our bouncy buddy, Benny the Bunny. Benny, can you tell our friends something fun about yourself?
Benny the Bunny. Hi there! I love to hop around and play games with my friends. Meow! Benny the Bunny. Hi there! I love to hop around and play games with my friends. Meow!
Cat approaches a monkey swinging from the branches. Oh, who's swinging in the trees?
It's our playful pal.
Milo, tell us something silly you like to do.
Hey, little friends. I love swinging from branch to branch and making funny faces.
Sneaky and clever, it's our foxy friend. Fiona, can you share something interesting about yourself? Hello, little explorers. I enjoy playing hide and seek and finding secret spots in the forest. Hoo-hoo, it's time to meet our wise friend, Oliver the Owl. Oliver, can you share some wisdom with our little friends?
Hello, young explorers. I love staying up late, hooting at the moon, and sharing stories with my forest friends.
Fantastic, friends. We met Grace the Giraffe, Benny the Bunny, Milo, Fiona, and Oliver Owl. Each one of them has something special about them.